Hello, my name is Frida Peralta and I am from Philippines. I am 42 years old and I am a widow with one daughter and she's now 18 years old. My work experience is I was 2 years nanny in Saudi Arabia and then I decided to apply here in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I am working here in Hong Kong since 2017 until now with one employer. So I have now 8 years of experience as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong. My employer decided not to renew me again due to financial reason. So I can clean the house, I can cook, I can take care of kids or newborn babies. I can work alone also, or I can work with co-worker. It doesn't matter. So I have the initiative regarding to my work, and I can say that I am honest, hardworking. I have high patience. I respect my employers, and I am willing to learn more regarding of my work. And I hope that you will consider me to have interview, and thank you so much.